The markets go bearish, and this is the weekend edition. My name's D7, and this video is good through Sunday, February 7th, 2016. And just seconds before I hit this button, I decided to share something with you. I'll do that at the end of the video. Interesting. It should be interesting. We'll see. Anyway, check this out. The markets end in bearish territory on Friday with a huge drop across the board, with the Dow down 211 points. NASDAQ took it on the chin, down 3.5%. Ouch. Crude oil down more than 2%. Silver up 1.2%. Gold higher by 1.58%. And the VIX going higher by 4%. And here we are looking at the markets. Check this out. Remember, we've been talking about this drop, this pop to the 50% Fibonacci. We go into a bear flag. I said make sure you go to Free Online Trading Education Chart School to look at that. And you will see bear flag, drop, pop up 50% or so, and then we get a drop. You can read about it and also give you a whole plethora of examples here down below. Check that out. Anyway, here we are, down, bear flag, and there's the drop. So the big question is, are we going to get this big down leg? We certainly have an opportunity for that to commence. That should happen, but we get this big trend line coming across, gang. One that we cannot ignore, because we go back here in time, we have support broken. Here, support, and support yet again. Multiple hits on this line. So it's one certainly not to ignore. So as we start to drop, the question is, will the next leg down break through this? Now I'm going to say it here. Monday could be a bloodbath. It could be the biggest. I mean, we could have a 500 point or greater day on Monday because of what we're seeing right now with this weakness in this pattern. If it happens, you heard it from me first. Been trading 18 years, know what's going on, and I've seen a lot here in the markets. So we'll see if that actually happens. Here's the weekly chart. Wow, I thought after this hammer and after this pivot day or pivot week that we would go soaring to the upside to hit this trend line. Every candlestick here is 1 week. Remember that. I really thought that was going to happen. But with the dropping EMA, exponential moving average, coming down, acted as resistance, and we're dropping already. That just shows extreme weakness here in the markets. We have support. You can see this level of support coming across. Something to be watching for. But the markets are in trouble. If you go here to the monthly chart, we broke it last month. I said, danger. Watch out. And sure enough, we continue southbound on the monthly chart. We're only 5 days. By the time this video is good through the 7th, it's be just 1 week into the month, and we're already bearish. So could the end of the month end and find support at this red line? You better believe it. It'd be very interesting by the end of this month to find out if we'll be at this red line, which would be a big drop to the downside. So remember me saying that. Now, NASDAQ, tech stocks just took it on the chin on Friday. Just bad. Check this chart out. We have this drop, this bear flag, boom, to the downside. It's already at a support level. You can see this level right here coming across that acted as support. Let me show you where that comes from. Comes from right here. We come over. Actually, I'm going to tweak that. That line could be drawn better. It needs to go to the close here. Let me see what that does. Man, look at that. Boom, right to it as support. Tried to go below it. So it's hanging by a thread on a support level. Question is, Monday, will it fall out of bed? Big drop on a big tick higher. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Down, 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 down. Thought we would come up, hit this line, and then we called for a short. It's happening already. Woe to the markets. Bad news. Look at the monthly chart and see what's going on. Down, down, down. Last month we broke a major trend line. Lower high, lower low, below all major moving averages. Dropping here. It's in a lot of trouble. It's at a bit of a support level. We'll just have to see. But things just look gnarly. If I go over here to the crude oil daily, look at this. Remember I said we'd drop back in and we'll probably start coiling inside this apex of a triangle? Watch this. This is a bearish pennant. If you drop, 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 and you build a pennant down at the bottom, it's bearish. So I could certainly see another drop coming here. However, this builds a lot of power and strength. This thing could pop north or could pop south. Watch for a big move, one direction or the other, now that it's coiling. But in the big picture, this is a falling wedge. That's more bullish than it is bearish, so it's something to watch for. And with all the volume that we have, that's capitulation on crude oil. Crude oil could certainly be putting in a low right now. So anyway, you don't want to start buying until you see decisive moves to the upside on big volume confirming that. And let's look here at the weekly chart. Look at this beautiful falling wedge with a huge bullish divergence on the MACD. It's a bullish divergence, volume flooding into it down here at these this low. Just watch for a big movement here on crude oil. On the monthly chart, same thing. Look at this. I mean, this thing's begging to pop. I just see a huge white candlestick happening soon on crude oil. And let's look at silver. A lot of gold and silver people out there. This is huge what I'm getting ready to show you. The daily is up and away. I really thought we would start to pull back, but man, people are like, we got to get in this. Let me show you what has everybody excited. And I'm still sitting on my hands. I can't find a place to get in. If you remember, I was gone at the time that this started popping, missed my entry that I'd been talking about. Once it popped, get in, and sure enough, this thing has shot up. If you have played this based off of my recommendations, please put it down in the comments. If you're on my website watching this, you can't put it in the comments. Follow us on Facebook or YouTube or Twitter. Just let me know that you're in on silver or in on gold. And you've got some good news coming here. Listen, watch this, watch this. Weekly chart confirmation buy signal. Boom. Closing at the week's high. Broke a major trend line. Gang, this is a buy signal. The MACD above the zero line. Huge histogram upticks. Big bullish divergence. Buy city for silver. Look at the monthly so far. Monthly is up, looking great for the month. How about gold? This is a gold daily. Boom. Up and away. It's like it kills me. I said if we pulled back to this level down here, maybe do a buy, and I called it but didn't get in. Are you kidding me? Up and away. Check out the weekly on this dude. Confirmation breakout. Boom, to the upside. This is a major move to the upside. I'm a swing trader. I trade on a day-to-day basis, but long-term position holds. This is a buy opportunity. I'm just waiting for a better. I need a pullback. Give me a retracement so I can get in this, or give me a high base breakout. Give me a bull flag or a bull pennant. Give me a formation where I can feel good about my entry. So look at this. On the monthly, we had our breakout last month. That was our cue to buy last month. So far, boom, to the following 20-month moving average. It just looks juicy. Guys, this is really good stuff. Love being the one to call these things and seeing them come to fruition. Love it. For a lot of you guys that don't know, I called the 2008 market crash in 2007 in October, November. I was giving warning signals, and on this latest drop, I've been giving you guys warnings, and this is going to be a brutal 2016. I gave you guys a ton of warning. It is coming. I'm setting up to go short this market. I plan on making just a killing on this drop in the market that we're foreseeing in the technicals. So I'll share this. I do trade a significant amount of money on a day-to-day basis in the market. It's been trading 18 years. And a lot of you guys might have read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Some of you might not have. Anyway, I used to be with Teach Me to Trade. I actually paid $21,000 for their education, went through the program. Maybe many of you guys have too. Or another program. Had a mentor, did all that, did exceptionally well after my mentorship. Loved it so much, I thought that's something I want to do. Company contacted me and said, hey, would you like to work for us? Said, really not looking for a job, I'm trading. And they said, well, this is what we're paying. And I said, all right, I'm in. So I started mentoring and I was booked out further than any other mentor. There's 50 of us. And I was booked out upwards of 3 months in advance with students wanting to come to me. Had a website on the side that went #1 on Google. And that's free trading videos or free online trading education nowadays. And have Grok Trade now. But this is what I'm going to do. I have other people that teach for me now. The brilliant Mirror Cat teaches for me now. And we have other instructors getting ready to move into the Spanish market in a big, big way. Very excited about that. But I'm taking my bride on, I'll be taking a trip with her on February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. And I thought, next week is fairly open for me. I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a long time. I am looking for a student that wants me to mentor them next week for a few days. I'm going to take you in as my mentor student. It's not cheap. If you are interested and you think that I can help you, I'll flash up my email, personal email. Just do it very quickly here and contact me. Catch you guys later. If you like my stuff, please share it. If you like it, and we'll catch up with you guys on a Monday.